Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having an issue with your camera not working on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear icon and then select the apps tile on this page. You want to go down to where it says see all apps and select that to expand it, and then select the camera app on this page, and where it says storage and cache, go ahead and select that. At this point, you can clear the cache by selecting that option if there is any, and you can also clear the storage, which will delete all the app data, including files and settings, which will be permanently deleted from this device, so make sure you have everything backed up, and then select delete. And that should hopefully be it. You may want to restart your phone, relaunch the app, and then hopefully your camera will be working. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.